Good afternoon to all of you. Now we will be continue the second part of this chapter, light as a revision. In first part we have completed up to the multiple images. In this we will see about the kaleidoscope. We know that kaleidoscope is a optical device, and this kaleidoscope that generally have three rectangular plane mirrors. These plane mirrors are joined in a such a way that the light is again and again reflected. So it base work on multiple reflection of light, and it is used by the fashion designer to see different pattern. So fashion designer use this to see different patterns or design to see in different purposes. Now we will see the next point, that is very important point, that light is white or colorful. Light white and colorful, white or colorful. We know that light is made up of 7 color, but generally we see that if you see the light, it appear in the white. When these 7 colors combine, the combination color is formed, that is the white. So the light appear as a white, but actually it is the combination of 7 color. You can see the most example of this when the rainbow formation, or just one phenomena, that is also dispersion. So this is defined as the splitting of light into its constituents color is called dispersion of light. And the rainbow, as you see, that is due to the form refraction, dispersion and internal reflection of light. So light is made up of 7 colors. You will study in detail in higher classes about some more features of the light. So light is made up of 7 colors. Now we will be see human eye, structure and the function, working of human eye. We know that human eye is very important sense organ that help us to see the object. When light reflected from an object and entering in our eye, we see the objects. So our eyes help us to see the objects. To explain the structure of human eye, first of all we will draw the diagram of human eye, and then we will understand the structure of human eye. So let us start the drawing the diagram of human eye. So this is first we can draw the eyeball, that is the outermost structure of this eye. This is the eyeball, and this is the nerve, optic nerve. This is the optic nerve, This is the retina, innermost part of the eye. This is the eye lens. This is the cornea. This is iris, and this one is pupil. Ciliary muscles. Lens. Now we will discuss the structure of human eye. We know that human eye is the most important sense organ. This human eye is roughly spherical in shape, and that is fit in a structure, that is spherical shape structures, that is known as eyeball. The outermost part of eye that is coming out and that is apparent in the white color, this is known as cornea. The cornea is coming out and this is the outermost part of eye, this is white in color. This allows the light to enter inside the eye. After the cornea, behind the cornea, we have a hole. This is known as pupil, and the size of the pupil is controlled by the size of the iris. Behind this cornea, we have also a muscular diaphragm. This is known as iris, and this iris that is give the colors of the eye. We have different eyes of the colors like the black eyes, the gray eyes. That is because of this iris. This iris give the color to the eye. Behind this iris, we see that a thick lens is present, and this lens is made up of fibers, and this is convex lens. On this lens, the image of an object, that is inverted image of object, real and inverted image of object is formed. You see that behind this lens vitreous humor is there. This is a liquid, and this help in the reflection of the light. And on the last part or the innermost part of the eye, that is the retina. This retina acts as a screen. On the retina, the image of an object is formed. So on the retina, different type of cells are present. These are called rod cells and cone cells. Cone cells are sensitive to the bright light and the colors. Bright light and the color, and the rod cells are sensitive to the dim light. At the junction of optic nerve and the retina, there is a space or point where these cells are present, so there is no vision on that point. This point is known as blind spot. So on the blind spot, there is no image formation, so the object is not seen. So we can say that in summarized way, human eye consists of following part. First, that is cornea. Second part is iris. Third part is pupil, eye lens, and retina. So this is the structure and diagram of human eye. Now working of human eye, we know that when light coming from the light source and light reflected from any source, this light entered in eyes through the cornea. This is the outermost part. Through the cornea, it is there is a liquid between the eye lens that is known as aqueous humor, and this aqueous humor to light falls on this eye lens that is convex in nature. This eye lens focus the light on the retina, and on the retina it form the real and inverted image of an object. Then from the retina the signals to the brain sent through the optic nerves, and then brain interprets these signals and beats the object in the upside position. So this is the working of the eye, or in this way we can able to see the object or the objects are able to see us. This is the working of human eye. Now the important thing is care of human eye. We know that care of human eye is very important point. If you have any problem in your eyes, you have to take advice of a special eye doctor, or if you can wear the spectacles also if you have any problems. Second thing is some tips to maintain good eyesight. Do not read in the dim light. You have to need the proper light for the reading purpose, and dim light and bright light both are not good for the eye. In dim light our eyes muscles stress and we may be headache. In bright lights the eye become closed. So both dim light and bright light both are harmful for human eyes. Second thing, regularly wash the eyes with the cold water. आप ठंडे पानी से लगातार आंखों को अच्छे से धोएं. If any particles, any insect enter inside the eyes, don't rub the eyes. आप आंखों को मसले नहीं, आप आंखों को धोना बहुत जरूरी है. उसके अलावा आपको बताया कि when you are reading books, newspapers, anything, you can मेक ए प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस. ये देखा गया है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे भी मोबाइल लेकर आंखों के पास में मोबाइल होता है, उससे जो आपका डिस्टिंक्ट विजन है रीडिंग का वो बहुत कम होता है. इससे हमारी आंखें समय से पहले ख़राब हो जाती है. सो यू हैव टू टेक सम प्रिकॉशंस टू मेंटेन द हेल्थ ऑफ द आईज. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, सेकेंड थिंग्स इज द न्यूट्रिशन. वी हैव टू टेक विटामिन ए, or generally you use the source of vitamin A which are green vegetables are there, fruits are there, yellow color fruits are there. You take regular in your diets. Carrot is good source of the vitamin A also. So if you take care of the eyes and take proper nutrition, we can maintain good health of our eyes. क्योंकि आंखों के बिना कुछ नहीं होगा. एक बार आंख चली गई तो संसार आपके लिए कुछ नहीं है, आप ब्लाइंड हो जाएंगे. सो इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज दैट इज ब्रेल सिस्टम. ब्रेल सिस्टम वाज डेवलप्ड बाय द लुइस ब्रेल. इट इज डेवलप्ड बाय द लुइस ब्रेल in 1821. So we know that it is developed by the Louis Braille in 1821, and Louis Braille was himself a visually impaired person. So he had developed an idea or to solve out the problem of such people. So he developed Louis Braille system. The modern system developed of the Louis Braille, that is developed in 1932, and in this system we have some common code for the languages of English. Common codes for the language of English, maths and science. And you know that this Braille system has 63 dots or character. 63 dots or character, and these 63 dots or characters, further a character represent a letter, a combination of letter, a combination of words, right? So these 63 dots and characters are used by the visually impaired person. They take a visually impaired person have a specific sheet. So these letters are embossed on sheet. These letters are little coming out, slightly कमिंग आउट अबव देन द प्लेन सरफेस, दे कमिंग आउट, ये थोड़े से बाहर की तरफ उभरे हुए होते हैं. सो व्हेन विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड पर्सन, जब विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड पर्सन इन डॉट्स पर अपने हाथ लगाकर उनको टच करता है तो वो टच करके आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि ये कौन सा कैरेक्टर है, इस कैरेक्टर से कौन सा लेटर बनेगा या कौन सा सिंबल बनेगा या कॉमा बनेगा. तो उस तरह से वो उनको टच करके उन लेटर्स कैरेक्टर्स को वो टच करके आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. और इस तरह से दस द ब्रेल सिस्टम इज यूजफुल फॉर देम एंड दे एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स और कन्वे द मैसेज. So this is about the second part of this chapter. Thank you very much for watching this video.